With thousands of dollars available in rebates, there's never been a better time to invest in a new energy-efficient air conditioning system. Champion AC is ready to help you control the weather in your home. We have an A rating with the Better Business Bureau, and we also offer lifetime warranties, which means this could be the last air conditioner you ever have to buy. To make your home more energy efficient, call Champion AC at 372-1234 to schedule a free estimate or visit us at championac.com.